कंटिन्यू खय पडेना
What time the incident took place? What time the phone call you? 3:15, I think so. I'm not exactly. But we got a call around 4:30 to vacate a place. Yes, there's a leak. So it is very important that we move away.
So we saw that we could get a smell from our bedroom. So when we opened, we could feel it even more intensive. So we got out of the house. Then we saw one of the fire brigade. Then he told us that there was some ammonia leak. So there were some parked vehicles there. So I could just see a smoke of cloud. So but the smell was getting worse. And since I had children and older people, we just evacuated it around 3 from there. So by then the fire brigade and the police were telling us to tell our neighbors that we need to evacuate that entire area. So we've been here from 3 now.
But in time, we noticed that the fumes were the smell was getting very strong and became unbearable. So we tried to get as many people away from their homes as possible. And then, but at the time of evacuation, it was very strong, very difficult to breathe. Eyes were watering. But there was a lot of awareness created by a lot of people itself.